welcome to the English lessons. Irregular verbs, here we go. Please watch video number 1 to understand really the way I explain irregular verbs in English. So here is what we have for today. Have, had, hear, heard, hide, hid, hidden, hit, hit. Okay, so here are some examples. Have, I have a lot of homework every day. Had, yesterday I had a headache. Hear, heard, I hear you. Yesterday I heard a rumor. Hide, hid, hidden, hide. My cats hide in the house. Well, I don't have a cats actually, but hid. My cat hid yesterday. My cat in Russia. Actually, I have a cat in Russia. So, hid. Well, hid is a just multifunctional verb. So, hid, some say like hit. So, or there's so many meanings for hit. So, it's just really hard to come up with a really good example. I hit a dummy during my boxing class. Well, I don't go to a boxing class, but I would if I went. Hit, yesterday a baby hit me. Oh. So, yesterday a baby hit me. So, maybe somebody's baby just went and hit me. Anyway, one more time. Have, had, hear, heard, hide, hid, hidden, and hit. Have a good day.